I got a big cool box from the Philippines. Let's get this guy open. Ooh, yeah. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really cool to show you and I'm very excited. I'm just gonna grab it. I'm not even gonna bother with it. So, to get things rolling, basically what I have here is a really exciting package. I ordered it a month or two ago, maybe, ish. Basically, for those of you who don't know, I'm a member of the 501st Legion, which is a worldwide Star Wars costuming group that makes screen-accurate Star Wars costumes and wears them to various charity events, hospitals, parades, definitely Comic-Cons. Typically, but we try mostly to raise money for charity with them. But what I have in here is the costume I'm going to be working on next, which is the Inferno Squad costume, specifically Del Meeko's from Star Wars Battlefront II. It's a much smaller box than I was expecting. I'm interested in seeing how everything fits in here. What's supposed to be in here is a full resin cast helmet, chest plate, the back plate, the shoulder straps, belts, and a flight suit, a whole flight suit. I don't know how all that stuff fits in this tiny little box, but we're gonna see what happens. All right, here we go. So this is made by a guy in the Philippines. His name is Jim Trippin, or Jim Trippin. I don't know exactly how to pronounce his name. He makes fantastic stuff, and I know that they're really high quality and really good for the price. So we're gonna see what we got in here. Oh wow, I think everything is in here, which is gonna be amazing. Check that out. It is a little cracked in one particular area. That's probably because of shipping, possibly. But this is the Biker Scout belt, the shoulder straps. The thing that's so nice about Jim's stuff is it's made out of like a fiberglass and rubber resin combo. It's hard to describe, but basically, I don't know if you can see or not, but the inside of this that has that kind of like hairy, fibrous texture, it's fiberglass, so it's super strong, but a lot of times it's really, the way Jim makes it, it's really flexible too, which makes it really durable. This particular piece, I don't know what's going on with this and why it has cracks. That's a little disappointing. I'll figure out. Hopefully everything else is fine. These pieces, however, definitely have a lot more flex to them. Obviously you don't want to bend it completely in half because it will snap, but what it does is it gives a nice hard armor that you can paint. This is the pouch that hangs off the side of the belt. These are the side pieces that go between the back and the chest plate, because it's the Inferno Squad costume, TIE Pilot costume, is based off of the Rogue One style of costume, and the Rogue One style has some higher detail, but it also has these pieces that go on the side. I do have my laptop here because I am doing a live stream while I'm recording as well. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell button thing so you'll be notified when I do start live streams again. Nice. The chest piece, which goes right about there. Yeah, that's nice. So here you can see a lot more of that flexible, that fiberglass inner portion, that kind of hairy texture. And this is nice, and I mean, you have a little bit of flex if you're using vacuum form plastic armor, but this flexible fiberglass molding that Jim does is just stellar, absolutely phenomenal. That's a lot of flex. That's gonna hold together really well while going to events. And then we also have the back plate. There's a little crack in the back plate here, a little bit of an imperfection there. Again, just slightly disappointing. The rest of it is nice and sturdy, plenty of detail. But this is the little crack. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not entirely worried about it, I guess. Also, the inside of this might need to be sanded just slightly because I just I just caught my finger on some sharper sections of fiberglass that were sticking out. Oh man. Yes. Yeah. I'll skip the helmet. I'll get to the helmet in a second. First things first, flight suits. It's worth trying on, so I'm gonna go try this on really fast. Now, I sent him my exact measurements. It should fit pretty well. Yeah! This thing fits nice. Really well, actually. Boom, 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 boom. I officially feel like this is the weirdest I've ever looked on camera. Also, the white balance on the live stream cam is going insane. I look like I'm wearing whiteface. Not too bad around the gut. Not too bad around the butt. Yeah, I like this. This material on the bottom, specifically so that the ripstop material doesn't rub up against you and irritate your legs when you're wearing boots. When you tuck them into boots, it's this nice softer material on the bottom. Really, really well done. Let's see. Yeah. Might get a little bit of nip slip going on, but it should be fine. All right, here's the helmet. It's got stuff in there. All right, I had concerns about this being too small, but looks fine to me. Looking good. Oh, snap, I didn't know. Okay, cool. This comes with more stuff than I thought it did. Helmet. Boom, there it is. It's gonna need a decent amount of sanding and a little bit of filling. It's not as heavy as I was expecting it to be, which is good. Oh, it's fiberglass on the inside too. Yeah, that is a sharp pull. That is a very sharp pull. Now this is mostly resin as well. It looks like there's some fiberglass on the inside as well. It's not supposed to be flexible, but man, is that light. Now my biggest fear was that this was gonna be too small, because when I saw when I saw how small the box was, I was afraid that the helmet was just gonna be teeny weeny. And I'm a really tall, like fat dude, so tiny helmet would look really stupid. So let's see how this is looking. Once I have some padding, it's probably gonna sit up here a little bit more. I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with this. And he sent some extra goodies that I was not expecting. I'm assuming this is for the frown, the teeth, like the inner parts. Looks like he also included some decals. I don't know which one goes on which side. I'll have to figure that out, but they basically go on the helmet. This red lens material, like heated and formed to fit this specific helmet. So you can see through it, sort of. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see through it. See? Woo. Very well packaged. Everything is very well packaged. Ah, okay. The little Nissan, it's a Nissan clip. It's just a detail piece that goes up here. That'll go on later. And these are molded detail pieces that go up here. Now I may end up making my own 3D printed ones or messing around with different materials and painting, but a lot of cool stuff included. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed. All right, there's the thumbnail. Moving forward, I don't know when I'm gonna be making more videos as I work on this, but I will make videos as I work on this. What does this have to do with 3D printing, you might ask? I plan on 3D printing a good portion of this costume. There's still stuff that has to be obtained. I have most of it now. So a lot of 3D printed parts are gonna go into this costume. This was just showing you off, kind of the start. I don't know when I'm gonna have time to work on this, to be honest with you, but I'll get around to it eventually. If you want to see more progress on this as I move forward, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you wanna be notified when I upload something or when I do another live stream, hit the little bell button, get the little ding, hit the little ding-a-ling. Thank you guys for joining the live stream, those who did. I definitely appreciate it. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next update video of this thing.